this day of crisis we need to understand it's a climate emergency.
On the second day of crisis we must take action now. Is it too much to ask? It's a climate emergency.
On the third day of crisis, rebellion brings to you our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency.
On the fourth day of crisis, we're ringing the alarm bells for all the world. Our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency.
On the fifth day of crisis, the ice just melts away.
5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency. On the 6th day of crisis, the world has now endured 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency. On the 7th day of crisis, indulgence is too much. 7 deadly sins, 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency. On the 8th day of crisis, could civilization fall? 8 wonders crumbling, 7 deadly sins, 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency. On the 9th day of crisis, our animals will die. 9 lives is fiction, 8 wonders crumbling, 7 deadly sins, 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency.
On the 10th day of crisis, we're holding to account
10 Downing Street.
9 lives is fiction, 8 wonders crumbling, 7 deadly sins, 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands, too much to ask. It's a climate emergency.
On the 11th day of crisis, we're running out of time. 11 years to sort it.
10 Downing Street.
9 lives is fiction, 8 wonders crumbling, 7 deadly sins, 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands. It's a climate emergency. On the 12th day of crisis, we're fighting to protect all our children's futures. 11 years to sort it.
10 Downing Street.
9 lives is fiction, 8 wonders crumbling, 7 deadly sins, 6 mass extinctions. 5 oceans rise. For all the world, our three demands.
Is that too much to ask?
It's a